What are the parts of a cell? A cell can be divided into three subparts. First is plasma or cell membrane. Second part is cytoplasm. And third part of a cell is nucleus. The first part of a cell is plasma membrane or cell membrane. It is a thin membranous structure that encloses a cell. It forms the cell flexible outer surface. It is a semi-permeable membrane that separates everything inside the cell from everything outside the cell. It is a selective barrier that regulates the flow of materials into and out of a cell. This selectivity helps establish and maintain the appropriate environment for normal cellular activities. The plasma membrane also plays a key role in communication among cells and between cells and their external environment. We will discuss this plasma membrane in upcoming lectures. Second part of a cell is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm consists of all the cellular contents that are present between the plasma membrane and the nucleus. It is made up of two zones, ectoplasm and endoplasm. Ectoplasm is the peripheral part of cytoplasm, whereas endoplasm is the inner part of cytoplasm. The cytoplasm contains two components. One is cytosol and other is organelles. Cytosol is the fluid portion of cytoplasm which contains water, dissolved solutes and suspended particles. Within the cytosol are several different types of organelles. Organelles are distinct, highly organized structures that perform specialized functions within the cell. Each type of organelle has a characteristic shape and specific functions. Examples of organelles include the cytoskeleton, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosomes, perioxysomes, and mitochondria. The two major parts of the cell's interior are the nucleus and the cytoplasm. Nucleus is the largest single organized cell component. It is surrounded by a double-layered membrane called the nuclear membrane, which separates the nucleus from the rest of the cell. This nuclear membrane is pierced by many nuclear pores that allow necessary traffic to move between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. Nucleus houses most of a cell's DNA, which is body's genetic material that is passed from one generation to another. Within the nucleus, there is nucleolus that contains RNA to build proteins. Nucleus also contains chromosome, which is a single molecule of DNA that is associated with several proteins. This chromosome contains thousands of hereditary units called genes. These genes are controlling most aspects of cellular functions and structures. Body cells contain 46 chromosomes that can be sorted together into 23 pairs on the basis of their specialized features.